Media literacy skills are essential for life and work in today's digital age. They enable us to access, critically analyze, and evaluate the abundance of information at our fingertips so that we can make informed decisions. Schools play a crucial role in empowering students to acquire media literacy skills. Media literate students know how to navigate the media landscape. They know how to access relevant information quickly and efficiently. And what's more, they are media savvy and have a good understanding of how to identify and combat false and misleading internet content. Are you interested in learning how you can empower your students to become smart, critical consumers and creators of digital content, and how they can use web resources safely and responsibly? Our teachers, Marijana, Thea, and Sanja, are here to tell you how you can enhance your students' media literacy skills. They have developed 3 lesson plans that you can immediately implement in your classroom. Keep watching to learn how.
If you ask your students if they have ever used an image from the internet for their schoolwork without checking who the owner of the image was, I'm sure there will be many whose answer will be in the affirmative. They will simply say that they found it on Google so they can use it freely. This lesson plan for primary school children will enable teachers to break down misconceptions and raise awareness of using resources found on the internet. Students will understand and recognize the difference between copyright protected, copyright free, and Creative Commons licensed materials. They will learn how to search for copyright free and Creative Commons images and how to protect their own creative work. The main part of the lesson is focused on the development of a simple app with MIT App Inventor. Students will create an app and use it to identify different types of copyright licenses.
I'm sure you'll agree with me that sometimes it can be really difficult to resist clicking on links on websites and social media. It's even more difficult for our young students who easily click on links without thinking. That's why I invite you to check out this lesson plan and introduce your students to clickbaits. Clickbait is any internet content designed to attract attention. However, what it offers after clicking is far from what it promised. In this lesson plan, your students will learn how to recognize clickbaits and think critically about online content by exploring a Minecraft world built specifically for this purpose. Students will first embark on a quest to discover how to detect clickbaits, what their purpose is, how they work, and how they are structured. Then they will be able to show their creativity by building their own Minecraft quest and produce new rules and strategies for avoiding clickbaits.
We live in a world of information overload, with all sorts of media within easy access. Having so many digital resources at our fingertips can be overwhelming, both for teachers and students. Even more challenging is to evaluate digital content and find reliable and trustworthy resources. In this lesson, your students will be provided with an excellent opportunity to develop their fact-checking skills through a Minecraft game that you can create for them. They will recognize the characteristics of unreliable internet content, critically analyze online resources to spot misinformation, and learn how to verify and evaluate digital information. They will create a presentation or a poster with tips on how to find reliable information.
So, what do you think? Do you like these ideas on how to help your students develop the skills needed to thrive in a world full of information? We are convinced that your students will enjoy creating their own apps and quests. They will have fun, but at the same time, they will learn how to use web resources safely, responsibly, and confidently. They will be equipped with skills to think critically, identify credible web resources, analyze and evaluate media, and make sound decisions. They will develop their critical media literacy skills, and that's what we want, don't we? Go ahead, check out this new learning bit on the EU Code Week website. Choose a lesson plan that suits your teaching context and enhance your students' media literacy skills. And remember, add your activity to the Code Week map.